Hi my friends, today I will show you how I bake my clay. What is this? Probably you will ask. This is that's happen if you bake it wrong temperature. That's gonna crack and burn your clay. But you make sure to always check a label on your back of your clay what temperature you're supposed to bake. And my favorite oven, Halogen oven. It's very comfortable, very easy to use. So that my little small baby oven. I have a big one as well, so I'll show you later that one. This one, it's very easy to use. As you can see also. So usually what I do, I sculpt some baby and I put right to the if you want you can put something under, but that I usually slightly put here, or you can use some tiles and put them. So you put slowly there, but make sure always please, my friends, cover with aluminum foil. Yeah, when you cover with aluminum foil, the air doesn't go through to the clay. As you can see, we cover, and after we're gonna put to the bake. So you can see, start baking. So temperature I always put is 175. If you see 175, I put temperature, and now you just keep it like that and leave it. This is for small dolls. 5 years is working perfectly. That you're gonna bake. And second one, what I bake in the oven, but I never ever use where I cook any food. This is special oven, and I use always thermometer because I have to make sure what temperature I'm baking my clay. For what you're supposed to do, you put some aluminum oil and put something soft that will help you to polymer clay to bake properly. And as I said, always make sure to cover your clay with aluminum foil to avoid getting burned and crack. Always after bake, leave your oven for 1-2 hours, and when during the baking, never ever open the door of the oven because that will damage the polymer clay. And make sure to just be careful when you use hot oven, and just put temperature lower than the higher, so that will help you to avoid any burning and crack. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any question, ask me. Thank you. Bye bye.